shit. Just like your nose gets stopped up and you can't breathe. Same way with your car, man. The shit gets stopped up, it can't breathe. So what up, YouTube? Shit. Alright, man, if y'all having any kind of problems with the S500, S420, I'll tell y'all what happened. I ran out of gas. Cause my gas hand kind of fucked up. So anyway, the bitch got to sputtering, so anyway, I ran out of gas. Ever since that day, man, it been running rough. So got it back to the shop, shit. Start trying to replace shit. It'll start up all day. It'll idle fine. As soon as you go to put it in drive and take off, that bitch it's not breathing right. And I should have known that from the jump, because I had a BMW do the same shit to me. Cut the cats off. On the BMW, I had cut the cats off. On this motherfucker, you can just unbolt the mufflers and beat the shit out the cats, whatever that is inside the cats. Bolt them back up. The better your shit breathe, the better it runs. So that's what I end up doing. I unbolted the muffler system and I cleaned out the cats. There's different ways of doing it. I just took a pipe and a hammer and got to beating that shit out. Started it up, put everything back together, started it up, jumped on the freeway. That bitch was gone. The acceleration a little off, but I'll fix all that shit later. But if y'all having any kind of problems like that, don't start going by coils because the scan tool say misfire. It'll say random misfire. It's gonna say multiple random misfire. It's gonna have all kind of misfires, but that ain't gonna be your problem, man. If you start your car up and that bitch idle fine, but as soon as you go to put it in drive and that bitch get the bogging, it ain't breathing right, man. That's your catalytic converters. Over time, it dumps too much fuel into them cats, and it swells up and shit. Just like your nose gets stopped up and you can't breathe. Same way with your car, man. The shit gets stopped up, it can't breathe. So y'all gotta fix it, man. But that's where I'm at on the Benz. Now that bitch running, shit. I gotta re-tag the bitch, cause hell, I ain't drove that bitch in about last year sometime. Ain't no telling. But that was the problem. Catalytic converters, bad cats. Man, y'all fuck with me. Like, share, subscribe. If you don't, I don't give a damn.